Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen dimming on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness. After click on display and brightness, so make sure turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, again click on settings app. Click on display and brightness and turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen dimming on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.